So magandang araw kabole, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin yung mga kontrobersiya po kabole dito po sa nagaganap po na playoffs and then some happening, some results. And then pag-uusapan natin the firma Northport Blackwater Elite kabole. We will name the top 3 players po nila. Isa plugin natin is hindi po matitrade this year. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription level. So kabole, let's start po with these comments po ng mga fans. Anthony, Lucky, Alon, shoutout po idol, Alon family, shoutout kabole. Malyari Mascareñas, Willie Marshall, the commissioner, PBA said it's final, naban na siya sa PBA. I did not hear that sinabi ba niya? Naban na po si, Amores. Then, Jucas, Beranya Makasait, Aranya to Sanggalang, De La Rosa, Stockton to Abueva Escoto, sabi niya dito kabole. O kung magsasamahin mo, parang Aranya Stockton for Sanggalang, De La Rosa, Abueva Escoto. Medyo malapit-lapit ka bola. Ano po? Of course, we cannot assess it by mere seconds ka bola. Pero malapit-lapit kasi madaming bibigay yung Magnolia overall. Pero sa age kasi talaga yung malaking difference yan. So nakadepende yan kay Converge ka bola. Kasi matatanda na, Sanggalang, Abueva Escoto, matatanda na po kasi yung mga yan. Then, last one, Malyari Mascareñas ulit. At pa-shoutout daw. And then, regards to Amores, tama lang naman ng PBA for life because hindi siya magandang halimbawa sa kabataan. Then, about sa mga trade ng SME pagkatapos ng Governors Cup Finals idol. Sabi niya kabola. Now, so playoffs naman tayo. Congratulations to Barangay Nebra. 3-0, Did not expect that. Of course, ang prediction natin dito is Meralco Balls. Pero as we have seen, Ginebra played actually as a better team all throughout the series, Nagulat ako kabola, to be honest. Parang mas mature yung laruan nila, and etc. Pero hindi rin kasi pwedeng i-reklamo ng Meralco Bolts kasi na madami silang injury. Remember, hindi rin kompleto ang Ginebra. Wala silang Isaac Go, wala din silang Malonzo. So overall, I think it was actually in terms of injuries, pantay-pantay lang yan. And I think doon lang talaga niya. I think as a current team and system ngayon kasi ng Meralco, I do not think Durham really fits well kabola, especially with the fact that he is actually not that good of a spacer kabola. Now, ito na naman yung issue, nagka-issue dito sa Converge San Miguel po kabola, dahil doon sa flagrant foul. Actually, if you have watched the game live and you listen to the analysts are actually conclusive with their assessment kabola na it should have been a flagrant foul too. And I kinda agree kasi nga sa face na tamaan kabola. Pero yun nga, nagkagulo, ang tagal nilang ni-review and then mali po yung pagkaka-announce. So yan, galit na naman yung PBA management. And remember for the PBA management, naglabas po sila ng conclusive po na suspension dun po sa nagkamali dun sa Rain or Shine Magnolia. So with that, we again expect such harsh level. Pero tingnan natin kung anong pong kataas yung level na naman po ng penalty nito kasi ito naman is sa first half pa naganap kabola. By the way, respect to Converge, they got 1 in this game 3. And actually, this is now an interesting series kasi San Miguel will play kabola. I'm not sure kung napos na po ito after they played or tapos na yung series. Pero they will have a game in ESL kabola. And now, let us see, So, mas pagod ang San Miguel by game 4. Now, kabola, let's name now the players that we expect, kabola. Nagigip po ng Northport na firma at Blackwater. Let's start po with Northport. We think it will be Joshua Munzon. So, first, Northport, loaded po yan ng mga trade chips. Navarro, Tolentino, Flores, kabola. Those guys po na pwedeng i-target muna ng ibang teams before they even think about Munzon. So, with that, I think Munzon, medyo magtatagal pa yan sa Northport. Tada firma, out of all the star players available, I think Pringle, yung pinaka-realistic po na hindi po nila i-trade this year kasi of the age kabola and because he is a guard, and if you look at the 3 SMC teams, wala naman nakakailangan dyan ng veteran guard. So with that, I think he will be with Tara Firma for some time. Blackwater naman, it will be Cedric Balefield. I think they will try to maximize kabola the popularity that is garnering with his partnership with George King. We know Blackwater, even though they are actually farm team, they still want to be marketable. And Balefield and King, that duo, is creating quite a spark, actually, of interest to their team, kabola. And I think they will try to maximize that. Kabakabal sa palagay mo, ito ba yung tatlong hindi na trade? Comment na po sa baba.